pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.
What's up, my bays? We are here in beautiful Las Terrenas, but I gotta leave. We gotta leave. It's our last day, but the country even wants us to leave. They want us to stay. They want us to leave. They want us to stay. I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna keep making content for you guys because I know you fucking love it, and I'm gonna keep you entertained. So right now, I have to show you what my day-to-day basis is when I pack, when I load, when I travel, and the things we go through just to give you this content. And I'm gonna give it to you every time because I love you guys. Bay time.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna stop at one of our quick barbecue spots that we like. It is nice. Hola. Yo, y'all, this look fire. Hola. Hola. Tres wings. Tres saladas. Look fire. Clouds back there. Definitely. Yeah. Let me see. Your camera today. Hey. Para comer aquí. Para comer aquí. Sí. Got you a dynasty. That's fire. What's that?
Yo, some of the best barbecue in Dominican Republic. It's right next to Ron's. If you want to come here, some of the best barbecue you're gonna get, I promise that. And this is the man in action right here. This is the guy. 3 years ago when I met this guy, I'm telling you, the best barbecue ever.
Best barbecue. All right, y'all. So let me get this a taste. It is so fire. Let's go. Got lemon sauce.
That lemon vinegar that he got?
I don't know what it is, but it's good.
It's like a lemon vinaigrette. I'm telling you, it's smacking.
Yeah. Gracias, mi amor. Gracias. Thank you. Thank you. Fire.
Not as hot as I want.
Huh?
Not as hot as I like.
Same. All right, you guys. So let's take a moment and pause the video as we do have something special. Is my new glasses from Firmoo. Yes. So we have the package here. So let's open it up and try these on and give it a go. It does come with a cleaning cloth. I actually never seen the cleaning cloth be a part of the glasses case, which is amazing. All right. So this style is 112. You can already see the details in them. They look amazing, actually. So let's give them a try on. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh, they coming on the next trip for real. They definitely are. All right. Okay, the style is sleek. They're actually very, very light. I did not expect them to be light. So they do have the option of prescription and non-prescription glasses. These are some non-prescription glasses, which are very comfortable. They're not too tight around the ears. Usually you have that issue as well. They do look very more expensive than what they should be. These are a great price, you know. So if you want to grab a pair of these glasses, check out the description, the link in the description. Don't forget to use my code as well, FSOW50. It will give you 50% off the glasses, off the frames. That's a pretty good deal, you guys. So again, click the link in the description and you can get you a great pair of Firmoo glasses. Thank you again, Firmoo, for sponsoring this video. These are absolutely amazing, very comfortable, super lightweight. Honestly, they just look amazing. And yeah, check out the link. And you can also see on their website, they have more than what you need for a selection. Firmoo, these are absolutely lovely. And yeah, I can't wait to get me another pair. Check you guys out and let's get back into the video.
It's one of my favorite cigar shops.
Hola. Oh yeah. Oh, they roll their cigars up here. Hola. Did you wanna
Let's check it out.
oh yeah. Wanna get one roll? Okay. Yeah. Nice. And they rolling their stuff up here. You can even smell it. It smells so fresh. It's nice. Ah, it's so neat. That's dope.
Y'all wish y'all could roll the wood like that.
And then some wax, okay. That's dope. Yeah, I get a small one. Okay, so you guys, so we're gonna get a small one for myself. Another Connecticut. Yeah, this is good. Get a Connecticut.
Yo, it's one of my favorite places here. They also serve alcohol. They have alcohol, really good aged stuff. Look at the collections. Things you can bring with you as mementos, ashtrays, but really good cigars. Some of the best that I've had here in Dominican Republic. That's why I keep coming back to this place. Even the Mike Tyson.
I got a lot of choices. Yeah.
You want to go back?
Huh? Good. All right. We get everything. Got some special drinks up here. And I think this cocoa leaf. Coffee. Nice. Okay. Such a beautiful place, you guys. All right, y'all. So this is Tony's right here. If you see this stop sign, the stoplight, this is where you going. You at Tony's. Tony is the best, bro. All right, so not the so much fun part of the travel. Looks like it's laundry day, y'all, and you know what? It's the luck.
You know it's laundry day when you wear shit you ain't never seen me wear on camera.
The crazy part is, it's the part of travel abroad, right? You know, this place didn't come with a wash machine, unfortunately, and we have to get used to trying to use this Dominican wash machine. So let's see if we can use it. He got the bag. We got like 3 of those, you guys. It's crazy. Every place that we booked did not have a wash machine in it. Oh, besides the first place, yeah. But beautiful property. It is very hot. If y'all can tell by like the glare of the sun, it's about 100 degrees. So this should dry clothes pretty fast. Yep. All right, so let's figure out this wash machine. Okay, so laundry day. We finally made it down here. You have to let these fill all the way up, which you can tell takes a lot of time. So I got the other one already pre-filling up. The babe went upstairs to go get the other clothes. Now, at least I got a pre-rinse over here. So yeah, it's gonna be a long afternoon. He's always ready.
This is one of our favorite places, and the first place we visited when we got here. We were here 3 years ago. We were in a different unit. This unit is a little bit different and a little bit better to me. So, this is the balcony.
Nice, peaceful, serene yoga. Pool is right downstairs. Got some seating area, nice little table, you know, and they actually upkeep with their garden a lot.
And let me show you one of my favorite areas where I do most of my work. Right here in the kitchen. Fry stove, gas, perfect, big fridge, water is provided for 100 pesos. That's pretty cheap. The bathroom is nice, check it out.
The water pressure could be a little bit more stronger, but it actually is hot. She does provide a safe over here in the corner, which is amazing. The one sink, and yes, of course, sorry about the clutter, but you know, it's packing time. Again, the kitchen, and look at this living room. This actually turns into a bed, which is amazing. Our little work spot that we always usually sitting at. Some snacks, the cigars, you know, and the smart TV is actually amazing. It gets loud, good to play some music. We truly do love it. And let's
Check
go.
it out. Oops. Salud.
Salud.
Check out the bedroom. Come with me and you'll see a world of pure imagination. Check it out though. Straight loft suite. Straight loft suite. Nice king size bed. Small separation. It does get a little bothering, but it's perfect though. Fans. The other fan is downstairs we usually have up here. And the AC is pumping. But we have a great closet, and we usually don't have a place to put our stuff, man. I know it's a little messy right now, but man, that's a pretty big closet. I wish it was a baño.
Wish it was a baño, because we got to go all the way downstairs for the bathroom.
This is where we living, babes.
Exactly. And if you want to book this place, again, just look at the description of the video. It's available. It is Airbnb. I would say the luckiest part is that this place does come with a generator. If you guys have heard that, yes, the power outages have been serious here, but we have been lucky and we have been blessed that this place has a generator. You do have to pay for electricity, so if you see me cutting off the lights behind me, that's what you got to do.
My baby said she making soup tonight.
Making soup tonight. Okay, what's up, you guys? I know we kind of abruptly just left, but we are finally in Miami. About to have us a cocktail real quick. Babe's not feeling so well. The air in the airplane always gets to his sinuses. It's so crazy. But yeah, just the start of another destination, and we're sitting at TGI Fridays. About to relax because we do not take off until like another 4.5 hours. So yeah, it took about 30 minutes to get down here, so hopefully just 4 hours. Let's go, babes. Okay, okay, y'all. So we just left TGI Fridays. Bless you. And we about to check out this SkyTrain that they got. It saved your walk because at TGI Fridays that was at D36, and we have to go all the way to D9. So the terminal says it's a SkyTrain at the ticket stop. So we finna go. Oh yeah. Yep, I see it now. Y'all woulda. Bless you. Look like there's one coming. Or the one behind me is closing. Nope. Nope. It says 3 minutes. Wow. There we go.
Please exit to the left.
So beautiful.
Por favor, salga a su izquierda.
Man. That looks so dope.
Things happen all the way to the
All of them, like they was just placed. He was on one today. Huh? Alright, so we flying American Airlines today. I guess we can test a few airlines now. We gonna see how this one is compared to leg room. And yeah, they do have Wi-Fi chargers and also complimentary snacks and drinks.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Wait a minute, work hard for the car, so that's why it's all tinted. Wait a minute, had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning out in Nashville. It's been mad real.